Hello friends, welcome to Next Gen Mobiles. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert the SIM card into Nothing Phone 2A Plus. Let's get start the video. Before inserting the SIM, it's important to first check the SIM options in the settings. Next, use the SIM tool to eject the SIM tray. This device supports dual SIM cards, so you can insert one or two SIMs as needed. Once the SIM is placed correctly, reinsert the tray back into the phone. After the SIM is inserted, you can check the SIM options in the settings to confirm everything is set up correctly. Now the SIM is inserted correctly. Thank you for watching.